Welcome to Grumpy Man's Reviews. Today I'm reviewing my LG 4K TV 43UJ634V. This is 4K HDR. I purchased this 2 months ago from Currys for £369.99. Specifically, I purchased it for my son to play his he bought an Xbox One X. So obviously we needed a 4K TV to play with that for his bedroom, so I purchased it. But at the moment I was checking, the prices have gone down to I think £350 you could pick this TV up on. Honestly, it is worth every penny. I'll just walk you through it. Let me just get the unboxing out of the way. There you go. That was the quickest unboxing I've ever done. Let me show you the remote first. That's the remote. So you can see it's got built-in Netflix and Amazon button there, and it has its web OS. So the back of the TV, it's got one USB, 2 HDMI, and then it's got a card slot. I think that's for them subscription services. I reviewed my Sony TV, that had that as well, but you do not need it on this because the TV offers a lot. Down here it's got your cable import, your Sky, it's got some components there. It's an optical digital audio. If you want to put a soundbar there, that's for if you want to use it with the Ethernet, but I'm using it on Wi-Fi. And then it's got another USB port there and another HDMI there. That's the stand information sticker. So it's IPS 4K display, active HDR, ultra surround sound, and it's got its WebOS 3.5. Now their WebOS has actually been awarded, I think it was 2016, by Which as well, for being really good. On the right side of the TV you could control picture mode, aspect ratio, surround sound, sleep time, lock. It's all user friendly to use. It's really easy. So on this side we've got program, sound, picture. If I back out of that, and then if I were to press the home button, and then you get these little tiles. So you've got so much here, as you can see: YouTube, Live TV, Now TV, Netflix, Amazon, BBC. You've got most of the popular stuff on here, and they reckon that you don't need any more subscriptions. You could completely cut your subscriptions, but if you're going to go into Netflix you have to obviously pay for Netflix. But yeah, it's got so much. I've even got a Spotify in there, and WWE, Sky Sports. That's the LG Content Center. I'll show you that in a moment. TV guide, it's got a web browser, music, photos, so much. I mean, for the price you could do so much with. Now this here is LG's own content center. Movies, it's got of course Freeview Play. It's got so much. And when you go on the top there you could search for apps and games. You get Google Play Movies, Plex. It's got so much. Why I wanted to, I'm reviewing this because it's bank holiday and I think they've still got it for around £350, and for that it's definitely worth it because the quality on it is really good. You know, I just want to play some. I want to make you listen to the music on it, because the speakers are really good on this. Because normally when I tested, by the way, I've reviewed a Sony TV, I've reviewed a Samsung TV as well. The links for them both will be in the description if you want to watch them. They're both 4K as well, but for them, when I reviewed them, I did say I will be needing to buy a sound bar, because the sound for them, the sound quality for them wasn't as good. But for this, I'll show you now. I'm actually amazed at how cheap it is and how well it performs. I'll show you now. I mean, I'll give you listen to the speakers now. It's just unbelievable. I mean, LG 43UJ634V, that's the model number for this, and there's similar different ones as well in the 43-inch UJ line and stuff, but they're pretty much the same. My only one complaint is the panel. If you can see there, it's got like a little gap in there. Now the Sony I reviewed and the Samsung, they were really tightly put together, but I suppose they have to cut costs somewhere for giving so much of a TV at the price. My main reason for buying this was the Xbox One X, as I have mentioned before, for my son to play. He has had no complaints. It's got brilliant picture quality. The 4K on it is excellent. All in all, it's a really good TV. I will recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to pick one up. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.